thinking. And again, if you are a convicted felon and if you are looking for options, I guess, and you're trying to make it in the world, my humble advice would be that you go into sales, learn how to sell. If you learn how to sell, you'll always be wanted by people. I mean, and again, you can sell your own product, or I mean, there might be some companies that do hire people who are convicted of a felony. If you can sell, if you can make the company money, and again, it's from what I've seen in the last 25 years of working, essentially, it's being able to sell is the most valuable skill possible. One of the things that I would do if I was starting over, if I was giving advice, whatever, is I would pick up two books. One book is called The Millionaire Fast Lane by MJ DeMarco. It's the best book to kind of get your mind right on working for yourself for your life. And then the second book is called Ready, Fire, Aim, I think is a book. And I think it's by Michael Masterson. I think that's the author. I'll put it in here for sure in the card. Start your own business. But one of the things that it was on my mind, and it's still on my mind, it's always been on my mind for the last 25 years of me, running my own law firm, is that I've seen so many super smart, educated, all the advantages of the world lawyers who tried to open up their own law firm, and after about 6 months or about a year had to close it because they couldn't bring any business. And so I was always kind of like thinking about, how these people had all the advantages. They're surely not convicted felons, but they had all these advantages, and they couldn't make it work. And the reason why they couldn't make it work is the reason why I think anybody can start a business. I think if you're a felon, you can start a business. And the reason why they couldn't make it work is they couldn't bring in customers. The number one key to running a profitable business is the ability to bring in paying customers. And it doesn't matter, like I said, it doesn't matter if you're a felon or not. If you can bring in customers, what I mean by bringing customers, it might be as simple as if you can solve people's problems, you can get paid for that. You can become very wealthy if you can solve people's problems, if you have that type of skill. And so that's kind of what I'm thinking. And again, if you are a convicted felon,